The next example from 2.1 day 2 is again going to focus on vertex form. Remember, vertex form is this, so have that there. Make sure you write that down at some point because you'll need to know what vertex form is in order to write equations in vertex form. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to find the equation of the quadratic with a vertex of 4, 3 and another point at 5, 6. So it's important that we have that distinction. It's important that we know it's a quadratic. One of them is a vertex, one of them is a regular point. For this reason is vertex form, H and K represent the vertex. And so that means that this is representative of H, this is K. And so when we plug it into our vertex form, what it's going to look like is this. We've got everything we need there. Basically, we've got the 4 and the 3 plugged in, and we need to find one other thing here, and that is the A value. If we do that, then we've got everything we need from this particular equation, because we'll have some value of A times x minus 4 squared plus 3. We're going to leave the y and the x as y and x because it's an equation to graph, and they always stay as y and x in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this point 5, 6, and we're going to plug it in to the spot. Since 5 is an x value, 6 is a y value, we're going to plug it into this x and this y, which you're going to see right down here. And if we solve this equation, we can find out A. So there was y, there was x, and now we just have to simplify this, go a little bit further with it. Well, 5 minus 4 is 1, squared is 1, so that's just 1a. So this is 1 times a plus 3, which is just a. So here we have 6 equals a plus 3, and then solving that one, subtracting 3 from both sides, we get that a is equal to 3. That's the only other piece of information that we need because we wanted to just find out what a is right there and finish our equation. That being the case, we plug 3 in for A, and now we have vertex form. And there's a lot of stuff that you can do with vertex form. You can find out where that vertex is right off the bat for 3. And then if you want to just check, if you wanted to make sure that the point that they gave us, 5, 6, worked, plug it in to this new form and see if it makes a true statement. So that is about writing in vertex form given 2 points initially.